Okay. Good evening, judges. I am Shagnik Sinha from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata, and I am here to present our idea for Smart India Hackathon 2024. Our problem statement ID is 1614, and our problem statement title is Publication Summary Generator for Faculty Members Profile Building. So our theme is Smart Education, and our problem statement category is software. Our team ID is 34298 and our team name is NextForce. So me along with my teammates Roshan, Shopnil, Saptarshi and Anna are here to present this idea. So our proposed solution is to create a dashboard out of or summary out of the researchers by inputting the researchers' names across as required by the organization that has requested. So we are retrieving our data through from Google Scholar (GVLP) to collect all the publication records and filter the publication date and selected time frame and get a thorough or detailed analysis across. So where did this idea came from? So we actually face this situation in our college where various faculty members face this problem that they couldn't locate researchers and their specific works to like have it in a clean dashboard. Also, our faculty members itself themselves face this problem. When our college had an inspection, it was very difficult for them to showcase this across. So from that, this idea came to us. So we built a simple interface where we can list all the names of the researchers that whom would we like to have their researchers listed and to be presented in a dashboard, and it will just simply display and get the data through that and display in a very organized format. So moving on, I'd like to directly move into the demonstration for you judges to have a clear idea of what our project is. For example, we are choosing a file. Can we have the Excel display for the two names? You can see this is the interface of our initial interface of our project. So just for reference, I would like to showcase what kind of Excel we have prepared for the names. So can we move on to the Excel? So these are our two names, Stephen A. Choryak and Tanima Bhumik. She is one of our faculties of our college itself. So we are taking these two names as a reference to create our dashboard sample. So can we move to the demonstration, please? Yeah. So we'll be choosing the file. A thorough details of what journals, conferences they have published, including the publication years of both Stephen A. Choryak and Tanima Bhumik are displayed across the dashboard. Can we please scroll down? So yeah, all the details. So you can get all the details of them through the Excel format itself and all the details. Yeah. For example, yeah, let's give it namely 2010 2010. Yeah, 2024. Yeah, 2024. Export. So this is the details of all the publication journals of the above mentioned names, above mentioned authors between the time period of 2010 to 2024, as you can see clearly displayed in this Excel. Can we scroll all the journals they have published along with their co-authors, which creates a very easy interface to understand and get details. So this data is directly fetched from Google Scholarly itself. And regarding how this works, and to explain this further. Swapnil, over to you.
Okay, so hello judges. So I am here to explain how our proposed idea solution basically works. So actually, when you are aware of the huge amounts of data that we need to keep, and the data is not there only for storage, we need to analyze the data and come up with a detailed analysis of the data, that how this real-time data affects our real-time work. So basically our project focuses on automating the analysis of the data from Excel sheets utilizing a web-based interface built with Flask. So the application basically allows the users to upload Excel files containing data which is processed using libraries and tools like Pandas for data manipulation and OpenPixel for reading and writing Excel files. So what our primary goal is that is it is to basically help the institutions and organizations and basically the researchers to generate a detailed and year-wise publication summary from academic databases like Google Scholar. So we achieve this by integrating BibTeX parser and Scholarly by retrieving and parsing the academic records, ensuring a streamlined and automated data collection process. So to make the data more interpretable, we use Plotly to create interactive visualizations, helping users quickly analyze publication trends and patterns. And the process data that we have, that it can be directly exported in both Excel and Word formats thanks to OpenPixel and Python docs. This adds the flexibility for reporting the needs at instantaneous time. And for production level deployment, Green Unicorn is used to ensure the Flask application is scalable and responsive. So this toolset allows us to efficiently manage and analyze the academic data while along with it providing a user-friendly and easy interface for the users and also for the technical and non-technical people to get an idea of how our user interface basically works. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
I'd just like to further discuss the use cases of and the target audience of this. So, higher education institutions, academic researchers, institutional research offices, agencies, IT teams, and academics, database and library management. All these places have various and elaborate use cases for this particular can be used for this using this particular software. So we have also various social benefits, economic benefits, educational, environmental, and even institutional efficiency will improve through this. The potential impact, which includes a lot of time saving and institutional efficiency, as earlier mentioned. Yeah, this is the flowchart of how this particular software works and how the software. So that's it. Thank you so much, judges, for your valuable time. This is our team, and we'd like to thank you for your time. Thank you so much.